Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable shaker birthday cake topper number. That's a mouthful, but these are so cute. They'll go on top of a birthday cake. You can combine any of the numbers, and I have all of the cut files available on my blog, and I'm going to show you how I assemble them. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. Okay, so I've got all of my pieces here cut out. I have cardstock, this is cardstock, and then I have acetate. In each piece, there's 2 pieces of every single one of these. So we've got 2 pieces of acetate, 2 pieces of the gold, or the striped one. You could do whatever color you want, and then 2 pieces of the outer one. And then I also have these little micro beads. These are actually supposed to be for nail art. And then I have my hot glue gun. I have these are some little craft sticks. I've actually cut off the top here so that it won't be visible as much from the back. And then I have some foam tape. This is very, very thin foam tape so that it won't be visible. You'll see what we're gonna do with that in just a second. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work from the back to the front. I'm gonna start with this piece, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to glue on this piece over here. I'm actually just gonna use this Tombow mini liquid glue, and I'm just gonna kind of dab along all the edges here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the striped layer. And just kind of adjust it so that you can't see that blue from the back. All right, okay. Then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the acetate. And I'm actually going to use this crafter's tape here, and I'm gonna put along the edges some tape. And you won't be able to see this once it's fully all put together. And so now I'm taking my clear acetate and I'm just placing this over the top here. And now what I'm going to do, this is the fun part. So I'm going to take my foam tape here and I'm just going to start to kind of place this along all of the edges and all of the lines. Got my scissors, just cut it as needed. And it doesn't have to be pretty because you're not gonna be able to see this. But what I am trying to do is I'm trying to make sure that there are no gaps anywhere. So I've got everything, all of these foam pieces in here. And then there's a little backer here, or a little piece that is on top of the adhesive that needs to be removed. But before I remove that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of these beads filled in. So I've got a few different colors here. And I'm gonna try to make this look like a birthday candle. I've got this little note card piece that I've cut. Here, let me just show you what this looks like here. So I've got this little note card piece cut, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scoop this. I was trying to find my little 1/4 1/8 of a teaspoon or whatever it is, but I couldn't find that. So I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to put a little bit in each space where I want that color. I'll probably do, I'm just gonna sort of do like a little pattern here. It doesn't really make a huge difference because it's gonna look cute no matter what. Okay, so I think I'm done with the green. Still getting some out of place. The red. Get a bit of red up here. When I'm all done, I could just take some tape and clean up this mess. And I'll get some orange. Use whatever colors you like. This is going to be for a birthday cake that has a bunch of sprinkles on it. So it's gonna look really cute. I've got my tweezers and I'm just going to carefully remove all of these backer pieces. All right, so now I've removed all of these backer pieces, and I'm going to put my other piece of clear acetate over the top. And sticking it down onto all of those areas. You don't want any of these to come out, so you want to make sure to really press down in all of these places, especially the outside. Don't want a cake with a bunch of little pieces of plastic. All right, so here we go. Probably could have put more of that green in there. That looks pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to put some craft tape on the back of my gold piece here, my striped piece. Carefully place that on so that you can't see any of the foam tape. It's really starting to come together here. And then finally I'm going to do the same thing with this blue piece. After this, we'll also add in the sticks, and then we could put this right on top of our cake. So cute. So here it is. All right, now I also have my glue gun going. Just take these little craft sticks, and I think my cake is not super long, so let me actually shorten these just a bit. I'm just using some scissors to sort of shorten these. This should work. I get a little bit on the side over here. Was it coming out there? And now kind of glob popped itself on. So let me just remove a little bit of that deal. And here we go. Both sides. And from the front, it looks just like that. Really cute, perfect for a little cake. If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters? VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.